Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share that I've done on a live hop with Mary Altier, who coordinated the hop. I want to thank her for letting me be a part of it, and it's a lot of fun doing it, and it gets me going. So here's what I made using a printable from Decorate Your Life. And I made 3 cards, maybe. Yeah, 3 cards with the inserts inside because I don't write inside my cards. So I put an insert in it with my sentiment and everything and let it go at that. As y'all can see, everything has glitter. It has bling on it. It has everything. And I just used everything from my stash. I have a series coming up on my channel. I'm not going to state what it is just yet. Um, but there's a couple of series that I have coming up. Okay, so again, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be safe, be caring, be crafty, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.